how to send Ethereum from Metamask to Coinbase. So this is really easy. Let me just close this stuff. Now what we are going to be doing here is, first of all, to send Ethereum from Metamask to Coinbase, head over to your Coinbase wallet, and you can see we need to simply copy the address for Ethereum. So we got receive crypto and copy for Ethereum. Now we're going to be going to MetaMask, so you can head over to a browser as well to access MetaMask. Really easy to access, or you can download the application. I currently do not have that, but you can always access it online from anywhere, from any device, and then you're going to be simply sending it. So it is pretty easy to send stuff on MetaMask, and all you need to do is simply send USDT or whatsoever, and you can see it is going to be providing you official method to provide your crypto. And yeah, so pretty easy. All you need to do is simply select in here send to and add the address for Ethereum. You can see this is exact thing that we need to be doing. So that's how you can send Ethereum from MetaMask to Coinbase.